morning students, welcome to the class. Now, third class maths, open your textbooks everyone. Page number 65, page number 65. Numbers up to 9999. Okay. Now see here, you know how to make tens, how to make hundreds and how to make thousands. When you are adding, suppose you have 9 and you are adding one more finger, it will be tens. So it will be known as the tens. Now again, 99 is there and again you are adding one more, it will be hundreds. It will be hundreds. Now 999 plus 1 become 1000. It will be thousands. So when you are making it will be in the boxes. Suppose if you want to make tens, you have to be take like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So see, 10 boxes are there. It will be make 1 tens. Okay. So how you will be write? So it will be known as the tens. It will be known as the tens. Now see, according to the hundreds, when you are making the hundreds box, it will be draw like this. So it will be known as the hundreds box. It will be known as the hundreds box. Now see the thousands. When you are adding the thousands, you have to be draw the lines. And when you are taking, it will be one box will be known as the thousands. One box will be known as the thousands. Okay. 10 tens are 100. 100 tens are thousands. Okay. Now see the place value. See the place value chart. You know the place value chart already. Now when you are writing the place value chart, first of all you have to mention the place values. So how you have to write the place values? See here. First of all, I am giving the numbers here. Suppose here 1, 0, 0, 0. So now see, 0 in which place? 1's place. 0 in which place? 1's. Now see here, when you are writing the place values, you have to be comes from the left to right. Comes from the left to right. So now I have given the first number, it will be in the 1's place. Now see the second digit, which place is there? Tens. Yes. Which place? Tens place. Now see the third digit. In which place it will be there? Hundreds. It will be hundreds. It will be hundreds place. Now see the 1. It will be there in the thousands place. It will be there in the thousands place. So first of all, if you know the place value chart, you can identify the numbers with the place values and you can do the words, word problems, and even though you can write the number names also. Okay. Now see the textbook, page number 65. Here forming 4-digit number he given for you. Forming 4-digit numbers. Forming 4-digit numbers. Forming 4-digit numbers. So suppose you have a number. Suppose he given a number for you 2345. 2345. So see here, first of all you have to be mention the place values, then you can identify it very easily. So once you see again, when you are writing the place value, you have to be come from left to right. Left to right. Now see here, 5 in which place? Yes, 1's place. Next 4 in? Yes, 10's place. 3 in? Thousands place. Sorry, hundreds place. And next 2 in? Thousands place. So when you are writing in the so first of all we have to mention the box. Now when I show you in the box how you have to draw. So here 2 in which place? Thousands place. So how you will draw? You have to draw the 2 boxes. So the 2 boxes will be contain thousands. Okay. Okay, Nana? Next, hundreds. How many hundreds are there? 3 hundreds. So how many boxes we have to be draw? 3. How many boxes we have to be drawn now? 3. So again, how many boxes we have to be drawn here? 3 boxes. So how many hundred boxes? 300 boxes. 300 boxes. Okay. Now see here 2000 boxes, 300 boxes. Now see how many tens boxes we have to be draw? 4. How many tens boxes we have to be draw? 4. So see here tens we have to be draw like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it will be 4 tens. 4 tens. Again, how many ones boxes we have to be draw here? 5. How many? 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we already draw the boxes now. Now how you have to be write the place values means, see how many thousands are there? 2000. So how you will write? 2000s. 2000s plus how many hundreds are there? 3. 300s plus how many tens are there? Yes, 4 tens. How many tens are there? 4 tens. Plus how many ones are there? Yes, 5 ones. 5 ones. So now how we will be read? How we can read this one? 2345. Okay. Now we have to be write how we are reading. See here how much? 2345. Okay. See here 4 tens are there and 5 ones are there. So we can't write 4 tens and 5 ones. So how we had to write? We had to write 45. Okay students, understand the topic everyone? Now see the textbook page number 66. Here he given the number work for you. See what the method I explained it for you. You had to write like that only. See the first one what he given? He given the boxes for you. He given the boxes for you. First how many boxes he given? 3 boxes. Next how many hundreds are given? 200s. How many ones are given? 8. Okay. Next how many ones are there? 5. So you have to be first of all write the place values like this and then write the numbers here. Okay students. This page you have to be write as a homework today. And now come to the page number 67. See here he given the place values. He given the numbers in the place value chart. You have to write the place value chart numbers in the box. Okay. See here what he given for you. Okay, I will explain this topic again. Now see here, form the numbers using the place value chart. Form the numbers using the place value chart. You know the place value chart already. How you will write the place value chart? Here, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Suppose you have a number 7, 5, 6, 4. 7, 5, 6, 4. So how you will be make the number? You have to be write 7,564. How you will write 7,564? 564. Understand? Okay student, now today see page number 66 and 67 you have to write as the homework in your textbook and complete this topic. Tomorrow we will meet again in another class. Okay students, thank you.